delighted to share a truly historic moment in the journey of our school. For the first time, our students independently designed, planned, and conducted a full-day workshop for parents titled Learning Through Our Eyes. This remarkable initiative was entirely their own, without any guidance from teachers or parents. They created the session, prepared the activities, and carried out the entire program with creativity and confidence.
We created the content, we created the venues, we located the venues, we thought of the different sessions, different game shows, the type of parents who are going to arrive. We did mock presentations between ourselves, and it was a really good experience. We learned a lot. We had some real world exposure which you don't really get anywhere.
மாணவர்களால் நடத்தப்பட்ட பெற்றோர்களுக்கான இந்த பயிற்சி பட்டறை இந்த இதில் பங்கெடுத்ததில் மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சி.
It was an amazing workshop conducted by the students.
புது எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாக இருந்தது.
As principal, I feel proud to see our students step into the role of facilitators, giving parents a glimpse of learning through their perspective. Their courage, leadership, and innovation remind us that education is most meaningful when students take ownership of their learning.
We did not expect the parents to be so interactive, but they were very supportive throughout the session. And for our final project, we had a debate. And most of the parents were debating the pros of technology and cons of technology, which really spiced up the entire workshop. And this was a grand success because of them and their support.
Learning through our eyes. It was an excellent insights we have got from the children. Children's perspective of parental understanding about the education.
இந்த மாணவர்கள் அவங்களுடைய பார்வையில் இந்த சமூகத்தோட பிரச்சனைகளை எப்படி அவங்க எதிர்கொள்கிறாங்க, பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட பெற்றோர்கள்கிட்ட அவங்க என்ன வகையான தீர்வுகளை எதிர்பார்க்குறாங்க அப்படின்றத பல வகையில் பல நிலைகளையும் எடுத்து சொன்னாங்க. இது எங்களுக்கு அவங்களுடைய பிரச்சனைகளை புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கும் அதுக்கான தீர்வுகளை கொடுக்கறதுக்கும் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப உதவியாக இருந்தது. இது
This is first of all this is very informative to parents. This is a very good interactive session by MMS students.
Of this MMS made very interesting, interactive, very mature way, which helped to share the knowledge between us, and also it will help us project taking forward in future. And this is a benchmarking workshop. This is required to be conducted every time, and we have to bring more parents to get involved so that the emotions of kids has to be understood by the parents. That will help to grow.
இன்னொரு வகையில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா மாணவர்கள் மனசில் என்ன இருக்குது, அவங்களுடைய தினசரி பிரச்சனைகள் என்ன அப்படின்றதையும் எங்களால் புரிஞ்சுக்க முடிஞ்சுது.
And I request all the parents to cooperate with the children and to encourage their dream.
I am expecting it's a more number of parents should participate in next upcoming programs.
எங்களுக்கும் நல்ல யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது.
It's kind of win-win for the both.
Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you all.
This extraordinary day will be remembered as a historic milestone, a proud achievement of our students that will continue to inspire our school community for the years to come.
We ended it with a great success. It is a difficult task for students from all the grades, not just 12th. We did from 12th standard, 11th standard, 10th standard, and we did a really good job. We had a really great interactive session with the parents, and we completed the workshop with success.